of bacterial culture in the liquid medium. One media is algae, the luria growth, and second one is the Davis Mingioli medium. Okay, this is the simple media and this one is the complex media. In both the media, we are going to inoculate the E. coli, and for inoculation, you need to have the pipette. I need to have tips also. बाहर से tips लेके आओ, autoclave tips. तो आप वेट कर सकते हो थोड़ा सा. Autoclave tips देखिए ना. हाँ, ये येलो वाली नहीं autoclave take now you can start. Take biscuit box and select the appropriate pipette. Okay, this is at 20 micrometer. Take culture. This is the E. coli culture. What you can do? This is 100 micrometer. So accordingly, you can take the culture around 1 micrometer per ml. So this is the yellow tip for larger volume. Okay, so take 100 micrometer from this inoculum. Where is the inoculum? Yes. So this is your E. coli culture, 100 micrometer, and transfer this into the liquid media. Okay. Close the lid and take the second medium, that is Davis Mingioli medium, and again add 100 micrometer of this culture. OD of this culture should be around 0.5, and discard the tip again in the ethanol or in discard box. Cover the lid. Okay. Mix it properly. So this is your liquid medium done, and now you can do the spread plate of your culture. So in first phase, what we are going to do? We are going to do the spreading of your culture. For spreading, what you have to do? You need to have a completely sterilized spreader. What you can do? Dip your spreader in the ethanol, burn it on the spread lamp, sterilize it properly, and leave it as such for few minutes so that it can cool down. Meantime, what you can do, take the culture, 50 to 100 microliter culture is enough. In this case, we are going to take only the 50 microliter culture because the density of the culture is more than 0.5 OD. So 50 microliter culture will be enough for this plate. So this is at 50 microliter. Just take in the 50 microliter culture and drop at the center of this plate. This is the agar plate, pre-warmed agar plate. Discard biscuit and use this spreader. Okay, like this. Make sure you are going to do the uniform spreading of your culture on the top of agar plate. You should not have any ridges, any valleys on the top of agar. Okay, by checking with the reflection of the light, you can see somewhere the a certain solution, a certain amount of the solution is accumulated. You just spread it again like this. You need to do this exercise till little bit of the friction start appearing on the surface of that plate. Now it's almost done, but certain lines are still there, so again you can use the spreader to disperse these lines. Okay. Dip spreader in the alcohol again so that any amount of the microorganisms should die off and burn it up on the spread pan. So this is your plate, it's ready now. Avoid this type of the mistake because alcohol can catch the fire. What you can do, you can use, what we can do, I need to have a plate. Yes, it's done, gone. Okay, so try to avoid this kind of mistakes. It's done, and now it's time for the streak. For streaking, what you have to do? Properly sterilize your inoculum loop like this. Burn it on the spit lamp and wait for its cooling. Now you can divide your plates into the 4 quarters like this. Make uniform sectors. You can label it A, B, C, D. Now open your plate. This is paraffin. Remove this one and keep lid outside. Hold your inoculum loop and touch it with the culture. Okay, like this. This is sector A. It should not be bent like this. It should be completely straight. Make sure that. So now we have to work with this one only. Okay. And start in first sector. Finish it first sector. Again burn it. You can use alcohol. Wait for few minutes. And now move to the next sector. Okay. Again burn it. Wait for a few seconds and start in the next sector. Okay. Wait for a few seconds again and enter into the fourth sector. Okay. So now you can see number of the lines are there on the surface of the plates. It does mean your streaking is over. Good. Thank you so much.